From Entebbe Lakeview Secondary School tutorial, I'm going to present a poem entitled Hope for Our Key Fauna and Flora. This is how it goes. Oh, our dear fauna and flora, our hope for the future, very supportive in every season, but abused for no reason. How can we just watch while